Most website builders still start with a blank page. Promptless starts with real content. Here, I'm working from a structured Google Doc. The same way content is already written for most websites. Instead of copying and pasting section by section, I upload that document directly into Promptless. Promptless analyzes the content and automatically maps it into proven page sections, handling structure, hierarchy, and layout logic for you. Each section is generated intentionally based on how real websites are built, not generic AI guesses. With one click, those sections are added to the page, fully structured and ready to customize. The result is a complete, clean layout in minutes, not hours. Promptless removes the busy work so you can focus on refinement, not reconstruction.